After the grand success of 10th edition celebrated at India Consulate General Auditorium, Dubai, in association with Odisha Samaj, UAE and Indian Consulate General,
Asia's biggest classical dance event, Eklavya Festival, welcomes you all to its 11th edition to be held at the Victoria Theatre, Singapore on 13th April 2019 from 5 p.m. onwards in collaboration with Nritya Dhara Singapore.
This grand event will be felicitating stalwarts like Mallika Girish Parikar, Bharatnatyam and Mohiniyattam dancer, Sashmita Pal, Singapore-based Odissi dancer and director of Nritya Dhara, also recipient of Ekalavya Award this year, and Shalu Jindal, a New Delhi-based multi-talented charismatic personality, a leading exponent of Kuchipudi dance from co-chairperson of JSPL Foundation and Vice President of Flag Foundation of India. The occasion will be graced by Padma Vibhushan recipients like
Dr. Raghunath Mahapatra, Dr. Ilyana Satarasti and many more eminent guests. Artists from Lasyakala Bhubaneswar, Nritya Dhara Singapore and several guest artists would present their pristine performances in the evening to celebrate the unity and diversity amongst Indians. Eklavya Festival, 13th April, Victoria Theatre, Singapore.
Welcome everybody to Ekalavya,
13th April,
Victoria Theatre,
Singapore. Don't miss.
Ekalavya Season 11.
Hi, Namaskar. This is Sonal Acharya. Well, this will be first time I will be perform in Ekalavya Season 11.
This year our school shall be jointly held with Lasyakala Bhubaneswar, led by Guru Shashwat Joshi.
The name, it is very majestic and royal, so as Ekalavya is always royal. Ekalavya, the name itself is a royal name in Guru Shishya Parampara and Victoria Theatre is a royal place.
We celebrate, we promote Lasyakala dancer all over the world. This time you all can see 4 generations in one stage.
Tribute to Guru Shishya Parampara, initiated by Guru Shashwat Joshi.
Lasyakala every year celebrates its workshop Kallur, and I am the best product of Kallur. I am so much excited to attend the Ekalavya. Namaskar, this is Tejashwini Patnaik, a member of Lasyakala. I can also say a best product of Kallol. Kallol, the sound of excitement.
I Swagat Ekalat, being a part of Lasyakala. I am fortunate and I am very happy that I am part of Ekalavya Season 11.
Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. This is a place where I just shaping my dreams in reality. We Lasyakala dancers are ready to showcase our talent, our passion in a great platform which is in Singapore.
Hi, Namaskar. This is Monalipsha Naik. I am very happy and fortunate that I celebrate with my Guru, tribute to Guru Shishya Parampara on stage.
Hello, Namaskar, it's me, Sagarika Mahanti. I am so fortunate that a title added in my career, the most prestigious Ekalavya Samman, which I received in Season 2, 2010.
Namaskar. This year we will be celebrating the 11th edition of Ekalavya, tribute to Guru Shishya Parampara. Well, the most important thing is we have celebrated already 10th year and last year it was in Dubai. It was in a grand way. The best part of Ekalavya is we celebrate not only the traditional classical dance festival, but we celebrate the real essence of Guru Shishya Parampara in a broader platform. At the same time, we'll be declaring the Ekalavya awardee in this evening, and I'd be requesting all of you to join us in this grand gala evening where Indian classical dance and music will be celebrating in a broader way, in a classical way.